Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. Let's get started. Click on Windows icon and then click on settings. Now click on network and internet. Here scroll down till you find change adapter options. Click on it. Now double click on your Wi-Fi network. After that click on wireless properties. Now here move to security tab and under network security key you will see your Wi-Fi password. Just check show characters. It will display the password of your Wi-Fi. If you find my video helpful then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.